Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to make a dramatic and overlapping shadow of a text. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Take a new layer, make the background black, then go to the text layer and type the text which word you wanted to make. Right now, I am making the word danger. Now press Ctrl+T to make the letter bigger, press Alt to copy the letter, and now change the name of the letter. Repeat the same for all the letters. Do the layer mask for the first letter. And then go to the gradient tool. Make sure you take the black and white gradient. Hold Shift and drag from left to right. Repeat same for other letters. Arrange the letters by pressing Ctrl+T, make all the letters in one group. Now copy the group and rename it if you want. And press Ctrl+T and right click and press flip vertical. Hold Shift and drag down and arrange the letters. Make the opacity decrease until it look like shadow. Do the layer mask for copied group layer and go to gradient tool, and drag from down to up until you satisfy. I hope you liked this video. For more updates, don't forget to subscribe.